You want to speak English fluently. You've been learning for years. Watching videos, memorizing words, maybe even reading grammar books. Yet, when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You know the words, but they don't come out fast enough. You translate in your head, hesitate, and the moment passes. You start thinking, maybe I'm just not good at languages. But that's not true. You're not bad at English, you're just stuck in translation. See, your brain is still wired to think in your native language. You hear a sentence, translate it, and then try to reply in English. But that three-step process, it's slow, it's heavy, and it kills your confidence. So, what's the solution? You don't need more grammar. You don't need to memorize 10,000 words. You need to rewire how your brain thinks, to make English your second nature. And it starts small. When you wake up, don't say, "I'm so tired" in your native language. Say it in English. When you cook, describe what you're doing in English. When you see something funny, think, "That's hilarious." Every moment is practice, not with a book, but with your mind. You don't need a classroom for fluency. You need consistency. Thinking in English isn't about perfection, it's about habit. The more you think in English, the faster your brain connects ideas without translation.
At first, it feels slow. But just like a muscle, your brain adapts. One day, you'll realize you're not translating anymore. You're just speaking. Naturally, confidently, fluently. So stop waiting for perfect English. Start thinking in English right now. Because the more you think, the more you speak. And the more you speak, the closer you get to fluency. Keep going. You're not just learning a language. You're building a new version of yourself.